Imagine owning 180 plus acres in New Hampshire, with 2 homes, private access to Jackman Pond, and the freedom to create almost anything you want. This extraordinary property in New Hampshire offers one of the rarest opportunities you'll ever encounter. 2 completely separate homes set across more than 180 acres of land, with frontage on Jackman Pond. Whether you're envisioning a private family compound, a multi-generational retreat, an investment property, or a recreation-focused estate, the possibilities here are nearly endless. The layout of the property creates a unique balance between connection and privacy. The 2 homes sit just over a minute apart on foot, yet each maintains its own driveway and complete separation with no visibility between them. It's the ideal setup for extended family, guests, or independent living, while still remaining closely connected. One of the homes is a beautifully restored 18th century farmhouse that feels like stepping back into the late 1700s. Historic charm and timeless character define the space, creating an atmosphere that's difficult to replicate today. The second residence, built in 2009, offers a completely different experience with modern construction and exceptional craftsmanship throughout. Featuring impressive timber frame design and Douglas fir woodwork, the newer home combines warmth, durability, and modern comfort in a truly striking way. What makes this property even more unique is the land itself. Approximately 52 acres are protected conservation land, while over 130 acres remain unrestricted and fully flexible for future use. Because Tamworth has no zoning regulations, the opportunities become incredibly rare in today's market. The acreage offers room for trails, recreation, farming, animals, hunting, additional structures, or simply enjoying total privacy surrounded by nature. Mountain views of the Ossipee Mountains could also be expanded with selective tree clearing. Outdoor living is another major highlight. A peaceful trail leads from the greenhouse area down to Jackman Pond, where a private kayak launch creates direct access to the water for paddling, fishing, and enjoying the quiet surroundings. This is more than a property. It's an opportunity to create a legacy estate in one of the most flexible and naturally beautiful settings in New Hampshire.